In this video, you'll learn how to change your Google account language. If you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So, to change your Google account language, it's very easy. You have to navigate to google.com inside your browser. So you can also do this on your tablet or your laptop or PC. Once you're on google.com, go to the top right and click on your profile picture. Then you have to click on Manage your Google account right beneath your profile picture. Then once you're in here, you have to go to Personal Info in the top bar. Then you have to scroll down a bit until you see General Preferences for the web. You can click on Manage Settings for Google Service on the web. You can click on Language right here. And here it says Preferred Language or Other Languages, but we'll choose to change our preferred language. And here you can change it to your primary language you want to use inside of your Google account. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.